Aldol condensation reaction. Aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen atom condense in the presence of dilute alkali like dilute sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, barium hydroxide, etc. to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone respectively. Again I am repeating, aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen atom undergo condensation reaction in the presence of dilute base to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. These beta hydroxyaldehydes or ketones are collectively called aldols, and this reaction is nothing but aldol condensation. The aldol formed after aldol condensation, when heated, undergoes dehydration to form alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones. To form alpha, aldol formed undergoes dehydration on heating to form alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. Okay, now let us see the mechanism of aldol condensation. In aldol condensation, the reaction takes place in 3 steps. What is the first step? What is the first criteria for aldol condensation? There should be an alpha hydrogen atom. So, step 1 is the formation of enolate ion. Step 1 is formation of enolate ion. In this, what happens? Aldehyde or ketone having alpha hydrogen atom. I am starting with aldehyde and explaining. The OH minus ion of the base abstract one ester alpha hydrogen atom to form enolate ion. The OH minus ion of the base abstracts one ester alpha hydrogen atom to form enolate ion, which is stabilized by resonance. So this is the slowest step. Now if you see, what will I get? This H and OH will go out. I will get CH2 minus C double bond OH. This is enolate ion. Enolate ion is stabilized by resonance like this. CH2 means these electrons will move here and these electrons will move here. CH2 C O minus and H. This is enolate ion, which is stabilized by resonance, plus water molecule. Again I am repeating. In the first step, the base OH minus abstracts one of the ester alpha hydrogen atoms to form enolate ion, which is stabilized by resonance. Now let us see step 2. In step 2, what happens? The enolate ion, being a strong nucleophile, attacks the carbonyl group of second molecule of aldehyde to form anion. So this is the second molecule of aldehyde, and this is enolate ion formed in the first step. This enolate ion attacks the carbonyl carbon of the second aldehyde molecule. So what will I get? CH3 CO minus H, CH2 C double bond OH. This is anion. We call it as anion of aldol. The enolate ion, being a strong nucleophile, attacks the carbonyl group of the second molecule of aldehyde to form anion. That is second step. Then let us see step 3. In step 3, what happens? The anion abstracts a proton from water to form aldol. So what is anion formed in the second step? This is the anion formed in the second step. This abstracts proton from water. So what will I get? CH3 C OH H CH2 C double bond O H. This is aldehyde group and this is alcohol group. So we call it as aldol. This is called aldol. So this is step 3. Again I am repeating. Aldol condensation. Aldehydes and ketones condense in the presence of dilute base to form beta hydroxyaldehyde or beta hydroxy ketone. These beta hydroxyaldehydes or ketones are called collectively as aldols. So the mechanism, if you see, the first step is the formation of enolate ion. The OH minus ion of the base abstracts one of the ester alpha hydrogen atoms to form enolate ion. Enolate ion is stabilized by resonance. In the second step, the enolate ion, being nucleophilic, attacks the carbonyl carbon of another aldehyde molecule to form anion. The anion in the third step abstracts proton from water molecule to form aldol. So this is the mechanism of aldol condensation. Now, dehydration of aldol. So what is happening here? What I got? CH3 CHOH CHH CHO. This is aldol. This aldol on heating loses a molecule of water. Means this H and OH will go out as water. So what will I get? CH3CH double bond CH CHO. This is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. What is the name of the compound? But2ene 1 al, which is also called crotonaldehyde. So this is the mechanism of aldol condensation. The aldol formed on heating will give alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Both aldehydes and ketones having alpha hydrogen atom when treated with dilute base will form aldol.